I'm Jeremy with Murphy Door. We've been with Bilt now, I believe, 3 years, right? And what's been super incredible is that even though our company's scaled, almost doubling every single year since we've been with Bilt, our customer service hasn't changed. We have several people that have been in the office as we've been visiting and saying, you guys don't have any phones, they're not ringing. I'm like, well, the nice thing is we don't need them. Everything can be resolved right on our Bilt app that we use to do all our instructions, customer service, and warranty registration. So there's no need to increase the scale of employees as our company's scale increases. It's been a huge savings for us. It's a huge customer benefit for our consumer, even better for our retailers that use it. That is not at all what I expected out of a 3D instruction platform that we received. I didn't think what I was going to do was resolve employment issues. It was 100% that, and even better, yes, the customer has a better customer experience when it comes to instructions, but as a business owner and a CEO of a couple companies, that's a really hard piece to manage. And I can tell you one thing, it has been incredible. It is a super service for us, and we would not know what to do if we didn't have a Bilt app. I'll tell you that right now. So if you guys have any question whether we should use Bilt or not, feel free to call me, but I can promise you will not regret that. That is a super deal for us.